Once again, good morning all. You will agree with me, I know. When I say Abel Chaklas Shongwe, William Kulker Shongwe, Absalom Skaratinto, the animal, I'm talking about Eswatini. The question is, what is the legacy you are going to leave behind when it comes to player development? Those who came before you can raise their hands up, the likes of the later Dimitri, and say, I can talk about the names that I mentioned. You've got a task. We're not here for formality. We ask a question. What kind of players are we going to leave this country with? And it is those players that must take this country forward. FIFA are saying each and every country, each and every MA must have their own homegrown coaches. But it starts with the coach educators. In the past, we call them the instructors. But to ensure that these coach educators are top level, they can compare against, or they compare well or positively against anyone in the world. There should be a pathway that they follow. It starts with e-learning, online learning, on-site learning. There is another online engagement. There is the fifth step called individual mentoring, and that's why we are here. And this last one is final assessment. So to a large extent, I am part and parcel of that FIFA mission, but I'll be dealing specifically with the 4 coach educators here, not you. I deal with them, I work with them, I support, I challenge, that they can give you the very best, that Eswatini, through the TD, will be proud that these are men who can lead the next generation of coaches. Sio, I hope I've been forgiven, and thank you very much.